Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the watch and assembling tools so you can work precisely. First, identify the clasp style because the removal method depends on it. A deployant uses hinge pins, fold-over uses spring bars. Use the spring bar tool or small screwdriver to release the visible pin while holding the band steady with a cloth. Once the pin moves, gently pry the clasp open to expose internal springs and levers. Do this slowly so parts don't fly out. Now inspect the exposed mechanism to determine the fault. You'll look for bent tangs, worn teeth, loose screws, or a weak spring. These cause slippage. If metal is bent, carefully straighten it with needle nose pliers while protecting surfaces with tape. Replace any worn spring bars or screws with exact size parts to restore tension. Once parts match, apply a tiny drop of light lubricant to pivots so movement is smooth. Then align hinge holes precisely before pressing components back together. You finish by reinstalling pins or screws carefully, making sure each part seats in its hole and you don't over-tighten. Once assembled, open and close the clasp repeatedly to verify smooth action and consistent locking. This confirms alignment and tension are correct. Try the watch on to check fit and that the clasp won't release under normal movement. If it still slips, don't force it. Swap in a new spring or clasp assembly. This troubleshooting step prevents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.